Welcome to Unit 1, Level 4 video notes, where we will solve multi-step arithmetic problems that involve rates, proportions, and planning, except now in a more abstract way. Our first example is about a piece of pipe that's 66 meters long, that's huge, and is cut into two pieces. The lengths of the pieces are in a ratio of 4 to 7. What are the lengths of both pieces? Well, there's two ways to do it. There is one way where we know 4 times a factor plus 7 times that common factor, the smaller piece and the bigger piece, has to be equal to 66 total meters. So this would be a lot easier to solve. 4x plus 7x is 11x, and that has to equal 66. Divide by 11 to each side, x is 6. So that's your common factor that we know that 4 times 6 is the smaller piece, and 7 times that same factor, 6, is 42. So we have 24 meters and 42 meters, and that total is 66. So that was pretty fast. However, a lot of kids might not think of it that way, so let me show you one more way of doing it. And that is knowing that 66 is our total meters of this pipe. And if I want to know the smaller length, let's compare that with the ratio of the pieces. Well, the 4 would have to be the smaller length, and the 7 would have to be the larger length. Well, so I want the smaller length to the total. I can set that up on the left side here. The smaller length piece is 4 to the total pieces, which would be 11. Let's cross multiply that. 4 times 66 is 264, and 11 times s would be 11s. Divide by 11 to each side, so our smaller piece is 24 inches. And we just had that shortly ago. Now for the larger piece, I can set up 7 to not 4, but a total, because 66 is that total. So now it's the larger piece over the total. Well, that's 4 plus 7, and that's equal to the larger piece to 66, the total. Cross multiply, 7 times 66 is 462. 11 times L is 11L. Divide that 462 by 11, and we get 42, and I said inches, sorry about that, meters. 42 meters plus 24 meters equals 66 meters. So here's the larger, here's the smaller. One last piece to point out is this ratio 4 to 7. If I reduce the smaller answer, smaller piece, to the larger piece, I could divide by 2 to 24, and 2 divide by 2 and get 21. Then I could divide by 3 and 21 divided by 3. And there's that same ratio. Or else I could have found the greatest common factor at first, which is 6. So the greatest common factor is 6. Divide by 6 to 24 and you get 4. Divide by 6 to 42 and you get 7. And there is that ratio of the small to the larger piece. Good luck on your level 4 assignments. I can't prepare you for every single question, but at least here is one way of thinking outside the box. Good luck. Thanks. Bye.